Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how you can actually check that like how you can check the monetization status of any YouTube channel, like whether this channel has monetization enabled or not. How you can actually check this for any YouTube channel. So first of all, make sure that you have opened up the YouTube here, and let's check this channel over here. Okay, so we will click on this channel name here, and then we will go into the videos
How we gotta be
tab here, like this one. And now when we reach here, we will actually right click and click on view page source. Okay, and from here we will press Ctrl plus F and we will search for monetization. Okay, so monetization. Now you will see this option here. Let me just like this one. So here it says that key is monetization enabled value is equal to true. Now true means that this channel's monetization is enabled, which means that this channel is making money from YouTube. Okay, so let us just quickly zoom out and try some different channel here. So let's suppose that I think that this is a new channel. Okay, so let's check out this channel here. So we will right click, view page source here, Control plus F, and monetization. And now here you can see it says like key is monetization enabled value false, which means that this channel's monetization is not enabled yet. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.